Cleaning water surface is difficult, time-consuming, and use large energy. Therefore, this project is a proper solution for mismanaged floating waste. It focuses on three fields of study, which is machine vision to do waste detection, AI to classify patch, and navigation system to determine the maneuver behavior of the robot. Image processing will be determine desired angle and distance. Compass and flometer will read actual angle and distance, and this value will be used to control the motion of the robot. This is how the wiring diagram of the robot looks like. This part shows how each component being placed on the robot. Camera, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, motor driver, water pump, compass, and flometer. This IMU only use magnetic field of X and Y axis to create compass heading. Look how the value going up and down as I move the robot around. This is how I test the flometer. When I blow through this tube, the propeller inside flometer start turning and the distance value going up. This part shows the functionality of object detection and finding its location. This is what the camera sees. This is the location of the object after K-mean classifier. These are distance, degree of nearest object, and speed of motor VL and VR. The first test is to show how the K-mean classifier are able to classify each detection into appropriate patch. The blue dot represents the position of detection, while the red dot is the result after classifier. We can see that the red dot can correctly show the location of the object most of the time. Object detection is not properly trained at this moment. That is also the reason why there are multiple detection for one object. This is another example to show the location of a moving waste and speed of each motor VL and VR on the bottom left side. In this part, we will see how each motor responds to the object location. The left motor of the boat has a serious crack on it. What I did was, I covered it using hot glue gun. Because of this crack, the water flow out from the left water pump has some bubbles in it. As we can see, left motor is faster than right because the waste detected is on the right side of the robot. But when the object detected on left is closer, it will try to go to the left side. But right after when the second object disappears, it will try to go to the right again. This is another example how the robot responds. When the object is far, both water pumps speed up. But once it gets closer, both of it become slower. This project focuses on designing a robot that are able to automatically detect waste and maneuver on the surface of water without any external control. Hopefully, this project can help with water pollution without sacrificing a lot of money and manpower.